Hi there, it's Grant here, and in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through how I'm personally going to attempt to 100x my crypto portfolio in the next 3 years. So if you're interested in crypto and you want to invest in crypto, then what I run through in this video might be, well, hopefully be of value to you. But before I get into the video, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. I'm not a crypto advisor, I don't give tips. I'm just merely showing you what I'm doing, so hopefully it can spark some ideas with your crypto investing in your portfolio. If you do invest in anything, you do so at your own risk, and obviously when you invest in crypto, never invest more than you can afford to lose. So with that out of the way, let's get on with the video. Oh, before I continue, if you get value from this video, why not consider liking it, or why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this? So let's get on with it. So I'm very bullish on crypto. I think it's going to be the future of certainly finance. It's going to transform a lot of areas of our life, especially with the blockchain technology. When the metaverse comes, that's going to be transformational. So I think crypto's got a huge future, and I think it's really still in the very early days. It's not reached anywhere near mass adoption yet. Really, I think if we equate to where we are with crypto to where the internet was back in the day, I think we're really 1998. A lot of people don't understand crypto, they're scared of it, and they stay away from it because they don't understand of it, and they think it's, you know, a scam. So we've got a long way to go yet for the run. But I think over the next 3 years, the crypto market's going to come back and we're going to see another bull run. I think 2023 is going to be another tricky year. I think it's going to be lots of peaks and troughs again, and I think a lot of it depends on how the war in Ukraine goes, and obviously what happens with inflation, what the Fed does, and also, you know, what happens with a global recession. But, you know, should things start improving this year if the war in Ukraine ends, inflation starts coming down, and, you know, the Fed reduce sort of their interest rates, then we're going to, you know, that's where we're going to see positivity coming back to the market. But the date you want to look for is there's going to be a big Bitcoin, there's going to be another Bitcoin halving. I think it's in March 2024. And when that happens, basically with a halving, the amount of Bitcoin that's released into the market is reduced, it's halved. So that's going to reduce supply and increase demand and increase the price. And I think that could be a catalyst for the bull run to begin. So I think really between now and 2025, we're going to see another bull run. And when the bull run happens, crypto is going to explode again. So I think the next 3 years are going to be pretty big for crypto. This year is going to be sketchy, but I think 2024 onwards, that's when we could see some of the huge gains again, and crypto is going up to original highs and maybe exceeding them. So what are the kind of things I'm looking for? I mean, before I begin, the key thing with crypto is knowing which products to invest in and basically timing. You need to make money. Obviously with Bitcoin and Ethereum, you know, they're established coins now, so it's unlikely you're going to make huge gains, you know, that you did if you invested right from the start. But there's going to be plenty of new crypto projects coming up that could have 10, 100, 1000x gains in the future. So what are the things I'm looking at in order for when I invest in crypto? So first thing is I want to invest in foundational technology for crypto. And what I mean by that, the technology that's powering crypto, and the whole blockchain. You can't really go wrong with that. Good example of that is Ethereum. I know Ethereum's established, but, you know, with the foundational technology, the price of any coins that power the foundational technology of blockchains, crypto, it's going to go up because it's basically what everything runs on. Next thing is you want to invest in real businesses that provide real value or solve a big problem. This is just business 101 or investing 101. You know, investing in the next meme coin, yeah, it's highly risky, and really it's not really a smart thing. I've made the mistake of investing in meme coins. In fact, I invested in one last year called Tomcoin. I got FOMO. I saw the price rocketed 1,000% in 24 hours. So I bought some, which was actually a really complex process. I didn't buy loads of it, but I just bought some. I was looking for a quick gain, and after I bought it, the price crashed, and it's pretty much worthless now. I mean, the project's dead. So yeah, so be careful. So my advice to you is only invest in real businesses that provide real value or solve a big problem. Now the next thing is to invest in tier 1 coins. And what I mean by tier 1 coins are the biggest crypto coins, i.e. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Polkadot. You get the idea. So the big coins, because the thing is with those coins, they're established, they're not going anywhere, and the price of those is only going to go up in time. And whilst you're not going to get the crazy returns that you will with the smaller altcoins, those coins are going to go up in the future because, let's take Bitcoin. Bitcoin's established, it's the biggest coin, it's a great store of value. I think people are going to be using it in the future, and it's not going anywhere. So the price is going to go up. Ethereum, for example, it's pretty much the biggest software development platform on the blockchain. I think it's close to 1,000 projects on it. It's got loads of developers running on it. It's foundational technology. It's not going anywhere, and it's going to power a load of projects in the future. So I think what I'm getting at is, if you want to experience gains, put some money, whatever you can afford or risk to lose, into some of the tier 1 coins, because they are going to go up in the future. So I've got here, these. So I think Bitcoin and Ethereum, if they go up to the all-time highs, there's a good 3x in them. I mean, I've seen people talking about when the bull run comes, Bitcoin's going to go up, to 60,000 or maybe 100,000 in the next couple of years when the bull run comes. So Bitcoin's got a 3 to 5x in it. Ethereum, if it goes up to its all-time high, you're 3x. But I think Ethereum could go to $10,000 in the next couple of years. But I think there's a solid 3x in it. Solana, if it goes up to all-time highs, that could 10x. Cardano, if it goes up to all-time highs from the current price, it will 7x. Polkadot, if it goes up to all-time highs, that could 10x. All the top coins here, these are all tier 1. Apecoin, which is very popular, it's a gaming coin, that could 4x. Crypto.com, which is a crypto platform, that could 10x. Decentraland, which is a gaming business and one of the biggest, if that goes up to all-time highs, that will 10x. Polygon, tier 1 network, that will 4x. Now, the last 2 or 3 here, these are promising altcoins. Fetch.ai, which is an artificial intelligence company, and it's created the Fetch coin, which is the native sort of token or currency. That's a new project. If that goes, if that price explodes in the future, that could 100x. There's another one here, altcoin that I've invested in, UFO Gaming. It's a big, crypto gaming studio. It's planning lots of projects. It's got potential. If in the future, in the bull run, that has got potential 100x potential. And the last one I'm going to talk about here is Hex. Hex is an altcoin that launched a couple of years ago by a very, very prominent crypto developer and blockchain developer. When it first launched, I think it 1000x from the launch price, but the price has really crashed recently. If that goes up to all-time high again, that could 100x as well. So all of the coins you see here listed below, these are all the ones I've invested in. I haven't got huge amounts of money in crypto. I'm not a crypto millionaire by any means, but I'm putting in money month on month, what I can afford, and I'm looking for sort of all coins that I could put, maybe 50, 100, maybe more in, that could 10, 100x over the future. So this is basically my strategy for 100xing my crypto portfolio in the next 3 years. Now, obviously, when investing in crypto, please do your own research. Very important to do. Don't just sort of whack your money on just because I have here. Please do your research. And like I said, only invest what you can afford to lose. But like I said, I think certainly in the next 2 or 3 years, we're going to see the the crypto bull run return. And I think, assuming the war in Ukraine ends, and we come out of recession and the Fed in the US start reducing interest rates and the markets recover, then I think we're going to see a very powerful bull run, maybe one of the biggest we've seen since, a couple of years ago. So I think there's a lot of excitement ahead. Crypto is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. I know it's been in the gutter over the past year, but that doesn't mean it's not going to come back with a vengeance in the future. And crypto will create many millionaires. It was going to create many millionaires and many billionaires. The billionaires will be the ones who create the businesses on the blockchain and around crypto that provide real world solutions. And the millionaires are going to be the ones who do the research and invest in promising businesses and crypto projects that provide real value. I think now's one of the best times to get into crypto because prices are in the gutter for a lot of the top coins. So if you're going to invest, be smart, do your research. But over the next 3 years could create a lot of wealth for crypto investors. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you enjoyed the video, why not consider liking it and why not subscribe to the channel? I'll be coming out with more content like as and when I have interesting things to share. But thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.